Hello class, in this short video I'm going to show you how to find this article using Learn or L-I-R-N. It's a pretty easy process. What you need to do is copy and paste the article. You can do either the author, the title of the article. I'm going to do both, and I'm going to copy and paste it. Then I'm going to go to where it says LIRN Library, excuse me, which is on the left side of your home page. You should be using this for finding journal articles for your discussion threads. So this is a good review. Click on that. In the past, we had to have a password. We do not need a password anymore. We just click on Health and Medical because that relates to us. Nursing and Allied Health Database, that would include ProQuest. And then in this case, I'm just going to put my article name in here, and it didn't copy and paste. So let's go back to get that information again. So we have the whole article here. We are going back to the library and we will copy and paste it in there. We're going to click on search, and there is your article right here. Can open it up, and we want full text, or you can download the PDF. Excuse me, if that works for you. And then you're able to read the entire article. Please give this a try, and if you have any questions, let me know.